Hello, welcome everyone. Today we'll discuss about how to generate a DLL in Visual Studio and how to use that same DLL in another Visual Studio application. For example, here we have application 1 which contain a number of functions. With this application we'll generate a DLL and we use this same DLL in our main application, and we can call the functions which are present in the application 1. Now I will create a simple calculator application. From the calculator application we can call the arithmetic functions using DLL. Now let's create an application which generate arithmetic DLL. For that we just have to launch Visual Studio. Here I am using Visual Studio 2017. You can use any version of it. Go to File, New, Project. Create a new project. To generate a DLL, here you have to select class library and you have to choose the location where you want to store. Here I'll call my application name as arithmetic and click OK. Here namespace name I'll use it as mathematics and class name as arithmetic. For easy understanding, I'll change the file name as arithmetic.cs. Here I want to generate a release DLL for 64-bit application. You guys can choose whether you want 32-bit or 64-bit based on your dependencies. Now let's create a function. Function should be public and static. Here I am calling static function since I don't want to create instance of arithmetic. I want to directly call the add function of it. Public static void add. Want to return Similarly, let's create the functions for subtraction, multiplication and division. In order to generate a DLL, we just have to go to function and then just give a b. It will generate DLL in this particular path. Now let us create our main application calculator. To do that, just launch Visual Studio again, then go to File, New, Project. Here you have to select the location. Here I'll choose the same location as previous one, and I'll name my application as calculator. Then click OK. To import the DLL in this particular application, you need that particular path where DLL is stored, and copy that path. Then go to your main application, go to reference, right click, add reference. Here you have to browse and paste that path. Here you can see arithmetic DLL. Just choose this DLL and then click add, then click OK. Now you can add that namespace. Whatever used in the DLL, that namespace can be added. That is mathematics. Now we can directly use that function. I'll use console.writeLine. Here I'll use arithmetic add. Since it's a static function, we can directly call this function by using the class name. Here I want to add two numbers such as 2 and 3, and I just want to print it in a console. That's why I use console.writeLine, and just to wait in the console. console.read. To run this application, just click on calculator, or you can just click on the start. Here we can see application is crashed. This is because since our DLL is 64-bit release mode, but our application is in debug any CPU mode. Because of this, application is getting crashed. To correct that, you have to go to configuration manager. Instead of any CPU, you have to choose 64-bit application. Now let's run our application again. Now we can see output 5 has been printed. Similarly, we can call other functions as well. Instead of add, subtraction, multiplication and division. You can see the output here. This is how we generate a DLL, and we can import the DLL in the main application, and we can use those DLL functions. If you have any question or any feedback, please use the comment section, and thank you.